Simple battery in Georgia involves the intentional use of force against another person resulting in harmful or offensive contact. Now, on the other hand, simple assault involves the threat of harm or violence toward another person without actually making physical contact. Both can result in serious legal consequences, so it's important to understand the difference. I'm DUI and Criminal Defense Attorney George McCranie with offices in Valdosta, Tifton, and Douglas, Georgia. I practiced criminal defense for almost 30 years. I've represented thousands of people, from farmers and factory workers, from doctors and lawyers, nurses, teachers, even politicians and professional athletes. Done a great job, enjoyed representing these people, and I'm glad to help them. So what I wanted to do today is talk with you about two different charges and how they're different here in Georgia, and people don't sometimes understand the difference between the two. And here in Georgia, in criminal law, there are various degrees of assault. Now, two of the most common types are simple assault and simple battery. Now, while they may sound similar, they're actually quite different. Simple battery in Georgia involves the intentional use of force against another person resulting in harmful or offensive contact. This can include hitting, punching, or even pushing someone. Now, on the other hand, simple assault involves the threat of harm or violence toward another person without actually making physical contact. It's the threat of physical harm or violence. Now, this can include threatening to harm someone with a weapon or even just making verbal threats. Now, it's important to note that simple battery requires physical contact, while simple assault does not. However, both can result in serious legal consequences. In fact, Georgia law allows for up to 12 months in jail if you're convicted of either one of these misdemeanors. Now, in Georgia, simple battery is considered a misdemeanor. And it's a misdemeanor offense that can result in fines, community service, probation, and like I said, it can even lead to up to 12 months in jail. Simple assault is also a misdemeanor offense in Georgia and carries the same penalties under Georgia law. Now, regardless of the type of assault, it's important to take any threats or physical harm seriously and report it to the authorities. Remember, simple battery involves physical contact, while simple assault involves only a threat of harm. Both can result in serious legal consequences, so it's important to understand the difference. Now, if you, a friend or family member, have been charged with a crime in Georgia and you have questions, contact us at the George McCranie Law Firm, and you can reach us at 833-927-6227 or message the George McCranie Law Firm on Facebook Messenger, and we'll help you get the answers that you need. And remember, all of our initial consultations are free and completely confidential. Again, I'm Criminal Defense Attorney George McCranie, and if you've got any questions, just give us a call or comment on the video, and we'll be glad to try to help and get you some answers. Thank you all for watching.